On Friday, April 18, a live operative workshop titled 𝐸𝐸 3 was successfully conducted at iUKD, the first and only dedicated kidney hospital in Northeast India, located in Sonapur, Guwahati. In this workshop, 15 renowned urologists from across the country performed surgeries of different kidney disease patients using advanced laser technology. The workshop was inaugurated during a solemn ceremony by one of India's most eminent urologists, Dr. 𝐸𝐬𝐻𝐒𝐄. During the inaugural program, Dr. Shah, along with several other distinguished urologists, was felicitated. It is worth mentioning that Dr. 𝐸𝐬𝐻𝐒𝐄 was one of the most passionate and respected teachers cum mentors of Dr. Arup Kumar Nath during his higher medical education in Gujarat. Under the supervision of Dr. Arup Kumar Nath, popularly known as the Laserman of India, the previous edition 𝐸𝐸 1 in 2017 and 𝐸𝐸 2 in 2019 were also successfully conducted. Among the notable urologists who performed surgeries during the live operative session at iUKD on April 18 were Dr. 𝐸𝐬𝐻𝐒𝐄, Dr. 𝐆𝐾, Dr. Arup Kumar Nath, Dr. Chandramohan Bhatti, Dr. Abhay Mahajan, Dr. Tanuj Pal Bhatia, Dr. Sunirmal Chaudhary, Dr. Anil Vaishne, Dr. Kandar Parikh, Dr. Nilkamal Joshi, Dr. Samir Swain, Dr. Debojit Baisya, Dr. Vikas Bauri, Dr. Nitesh Kumar, and Dr. Umesh Sharma.
Namaste. I am Dr. Nilkamal Joshi. I am working in NMC Hospital in Al Ain region, Abu Dhabi, UAE since 2009. I am from Gujarat. I am very happy to work in this hospital for kidney hospital, which is there in Sonapur, Guwahati, under Dr. Arup. And I am proud of him that he built a really nice facility for urology and nephrology in this remote area. We have this live workshop happening today in the same hospital where I operated one case of stricture urethra.
Laserman Dr. Arup Kumar Nath said that 18th April of 2025 is a memorable and pride day for Assam and Northeast India. This is because 𝐸𝐸 3 successfully completed an international level live operative workshop at Kidney Hospital iUKD, where 16 surgeries were completed accurately and successfully. Speaking on this international level live operative workshop, Dr. Nath remarked that this day is a memorable as well as pride day for Assam and the entire Northeast. Because through 𝐸𝐸 3, iUKD successfully hosted a live surgical workshop showcasing the most advanced laser surgery techniques in the world. This event makes the beginning of a new era with technologically advanced kidney treatment in the region. Dr. Nath emphasized that the successful execution of this international workshop has brought immense pride and global recognition to the people of Assam and the Northeast. Eminent urologists of Assam, Dr. Shashank Barua and Dr. Debanga Sharma, along with the Assam Urological Society, pharmaceutical companies from Assam, surgical equipment companies, and all well-wishers who contributed to the successful execution of 𝐸𝐸 3 were expressed heartfelt gratitude and appreciation on behalf of Kidney Hospital iUKD. News Desk Report, News Health Plus.